Imagine this, you've got some hard-earned USD sitting in your Uphold account. You need it, like, now. Maybe it's for a bill, maybe it's for that dream gadget you've been eyeing, or maybe, just maybe, you're finally planning that spontaneous trip you've been putting off. But here's the burning question that's probably keeping you up at night. Can you actually get that USD out of Uphold and into your hands? Because let's face it, digital platforms are great, they're convenient, they're the future. But when it comes down to needing actual, physical, usable currency, things can get a little murky. We've all been there, scrolling through help pages, clicking through endless menus, trying to decipher cryptic FAQ sections. You want a straight answer, right? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the Uphold ecosystem and dissecting the ins and outs of USD withdrawals. We're going to cut through the jargon and give you the clear, practical information you need to know. First off, let's acknowledge that Uphold is a versatile platform. It's known for its ability to handle a wide range of assets, from cryptocurrencies to precious metals and, yes, fiat currencies like the US dollar. This flexibility is a huge plus, but it also means there are a few different paths you can take when you're looking to access your USD. So, can you withdraw USD? The short answer is yes, absolutely. But, as with most things in the financial world, there are a few caveats. The most common method for withdrawing USD from Uphold is through a bank transfer. This involves linking your bank account to your Uphold account and initiating a withdrawal. The process is generally straightforward, but it's crucial to understand the associated fees and processing times. These can vary depending on your location and your bank. Another option, depending on your region and available features, might involve withdrawing your USD to a debit card. Uphold does offer card services in some areas, and this can provide a quicker way to access your funds. However, again, fees and limitations can apply. Now, let's talk about those potential roadblocks. Because, let's be honest, nothing's ever completely seamless, is it? One of the biggest factors that can affect your withdrawal is verification. Uphold, like any regulated financial platform, needs to verify your identity to comply with anti-money laundering and know your customer regulations. This process can sometimes take time, and if your documents aren't in order, it can lead to delays. Another thing to keep in mind is the withdrawal limits. These can vary depending on your account level and the methods you choose. It's always a good idea to check Uphold's official documentation for the most up-to-date information on these limits. And of course, we can't forget about fees. Bank transfers, card withdrawals, they all come with potential costs. Understanding these fees is crucial to avoid any surprises. Nobody likes seeing unexpected charges pop up on their statements. So, withdrawing USD from Uphold is indeed possible. You can generally do it through bank transfers or, in some cases, debit card withdrawals. But you'll need to be aware of the verification process, withdrawal limits, and associated fees. Do your research, make sure your account is properly verified, and understand the specific requirements for your chosen withdrawal method. By doing your homework and following the proper steps, you can confidently access your USD and use it for whatever you need. Remember, Uphold's support resources are your friends, use them. They have the most up-to-date information. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.